10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, grand rising to everyone. I am using my new selfie stick. Yes, I am loving it. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. I love it. So I am doing an unboxing for you all on this beautiful Friday. Happy Friday to all of my chick babes, my fur babies, and luxe babes. Happy Friday. So, yes, I got me some new Chic. Let's see. Springtime is here, y'all. Yes, springtime is here, and summertime is right around the corner, so I'm getting ready. I'm ready for the spring, and I'm ready for the summer, y'all. And look what I got. Y'all saw the pink ones, right? Those were the lip ones, the lip shape. Now these are they call these the bubble shades. These are the bubble ones. But these are like, no, these lip too. These not bubble, baby. Okay, well, I can dig. I love the red ones too. I love them. I like them. They really fit my face, y'all, because I have the cat detail going on here, and that really fits my face. I love them. I love them. So I got these from Amazon, y'all, for like $15. And there's two more colors I'm getting. The blue and the yellow. Now the blue is bubble. The yellow are lip, like these. These are more lip. Yeah, these are lip. These aren't bubble. Sorry. So these are the red lip shape sunglasses. I love them. Yes, real chic, y'all. And so, also, I'm going to get me a red bag to go with them. And plus, I'm going to show y'all the red shoes. Also, they are so cute. Hold on. Yo, these so cute. These are cute. Y'all y'all need to get y'all a little red. I've never been a red girl, but I learned that red was one of my lucky colors. Red, orange, white, and gold. Those are my lucky colors. Y'all need to find out what y'all lucky colors are and get something with your lucky colors. Whether it be some decor in your house, something you're wearing, get it to draw luck and blessings to yourself. Okay? Yes. And I got these from Amazon, and they are so comfy. They are so comfy and cute. They're comfy and cute. I love them. I love them. Okay? What y'all think? I love them. I love them. And these was like $15. 15. I love them. These are size 9. These are size 9. They're very nice and comfortable to wear too. Very nice and comfortable. I had a blue pair like these a while back, some years ago. With the bow and all that. Yes. Yes, I love these. So I thank y'all for tuning in. You all please like, share, subscribe, and y'all please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And y'all make sure that you go to me and Coco's website, Chic Babes and FurBabyBoutique.com, and find yourself a nice shirt for yourself and a nice shirt for your fur baby and some sunnies. Yes, we have sunnies on there as well. If you don't buy anything, that's fine. You can buy something next time. But please be sure to complete the contact form so you can get emails from us. You'll know when we have new events going on. VIP. You're going to love it, okay? New items. And also go to Luxe Elite Nails, Hair Extension, and Lashes as well and purchase something for yourself. We have the press on nails, we have the lashes, and we have some hair, okay? As well as essentials that go with those things, okay? If you don't buy anything this time, at least fill out the contact form for us so you'll be notified when we have new items, when we have sales, so you can get that VIP treatment. Okay, Lux babes, Chic babes, and fur babies, happy Friday.